How different is this? I spotted it on TikTok Shop. I had to get one. It is a lighthouse that projects the moon at the back there, and then it's got like this little boat thing with it as well. So it's got a sensor on the front, and if you have it on automatic, every time you walk past, if it's nighttime, it will bring the moon up. You can have it on, so you can just have it on all the time, so it's constantly showing the moon. It's fully USB-C rechargeable. It's a right little find. I was well chuffed to bits with it. I absolutely love it. I know it's something a little bit different, but if you wanted to get one, it was a great price on TikTok Shop, and I'll tag it in the yellow basket for you. 10 out of 10, and follow for more bargain finds.